Welcome to our clipper over comb tutorial. You will need a clipper and a clipper comb. Hold the comb between your finger and your thumb so that you can twist it back and forth. The cutting will be done at the spine of the comb. Start by inserting the comb and then angling the comb out 45 degrees towards you. Here I flip the comb upside down. This can be utilized to create a blunt straight line. So use the comb to direct the hair whichever way you need it to go. Any hair that's on the side towards you is going to get cut off. So as you can see, I'm using different angles to achieve the desired cut. If I angle out, it's going to leave a little bit more hair on the head. If I angle into the head, then it's going to create a contour going into the head. Always reset the hair by combing it with the grain. This is why it's really important to hold the comb correctly, because otherwise it will cause wrist fatigue. In the beginning it's kind of hard and awkward to hold the comb correctly, but I promise with practice it gets easier and easier. This is an old school technique that provides lots of control. This technique is particularly effective for short to medium hair, but it can also be used for long hair to remove bulk. This comb's length is roughly equivalent to a number 1 size guard. So that means that if you lay this comb flat and flush on the head, it would cut like a number 1 guard. If you're unsure, it's always best to angle the comb out towards you. That way you don't leave any ridges or ledges in the head. You can always push the hair in, but if you go too far in, then you can't come back out. So when I start working around the head, you can clearly see the longer hair. I'm going to use the short hair as a guide to carry over to the other side. Mastering this technique will help you become an efficient barber and keep you moving in a busy barbershop where time is money. So now I'm just duplicating the same thing that I have on the right side over onto the left side. I'm always cutting at the spine of the comb. Make sure to periodically reset the hair with the growth pattern. Here I'm just going to use my clipper with the open lever to outline the perimeter of the hairline. If the hair is falling over, you can use another comb to help hold the hair out of the way. Another bonus tip when you're starting out, you can open the lever to a 0.5, or you can attach a number 1, number 1.5, or a 2 guard. This way you get a little bit of clipper insurance, and just in case your clipper slips, you'll have that little bit of give and you won't fully scalp the client. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's tutorial. I thank you for tuning in to the end. If you like this tutorial, share it and leave a comment below. Thanks again and have a great day.